Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to print something multiple times in Python. Introduction. Printing something multiple times in Python is a common task, especially when you need to repeat a message, generate patterns, or perform iterative tasks. In this tutorial, we'll explore various ways to achieve this using Python's built-in functions and control structures. Method 1, using a for loop. Method 2, using string multiplication. Method 3, using a while loop. Method 4, using list comprehension with join. Method 5, using itertools repeat. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have explored several methods to print something multiple times in Python. Each method has its advantages depending on the specific requirements of your program. By understanding these techniques, you can efficiently repeat messages or patterns in your Python programs. Experiment with these methods to find the one that best suits your needs. ChatGPT.